Soft moonlight filters through the curtains of a cozy bedroom. A young woman, Sarah, late 20s, lies asleep, hugging her blanket tightly. The room is peaceful, except for a faint knocking sound coming from the window. Sarah stirs and slowly opens her eyes. The knocking stops as soon as she sits up, puzzled. She listens intently, but everything seems quiet. She shrugs it off and lies back down, trying to fall asleep again. Outside, shadows dance on the walls as if something is moving around the house. The faint knocking sound returns, but now it's coming from under the bed. Sarah's eyes widen with fear. She pulls the blanket over her head, trying to convince herself it's just her imagination. The knocking continues, growing louder and more persistent. "Sarah," whispers, "this can't be